Welcome to Doodle Buddies with Nosh. Today we are going to give a makeover to this jewelry box slash trinket box. This box is quite old. It's pastel pink and it's embellished with a whole lot of stickers and embellishments. So the first step was to get rid of all of those, and I used some glue gun to get rid of the sticker marks, and then I sanded the entire box. Once I did that, I gave it a fresh coat of white acrylic paint. Once it dried, I gave it a second coat, and I also repeated a third coat. I wanted it to be nice and deep. So I've not painted the center of the box because I'm going to cover it up with some scrapbooking paper. I have a huge collection, and I've taken two pattern papers. One is the orange pattern, then to contrast it, I've kept the polka dots on the side, the orange polka dots. So that's how I'm going to place them. I've distressed the strips of pattern scrapbook paper and adhered it to the top and the sides of the box. I wanted to mellow these blue flowers, so I've given them a little bit of a shaded effect with some white acrylic paint. And I'm going to distress the entire box on the sides of it. So I'll be just distressing it with some tin holes distressing. Once that is done, I'm going to position the flowers or the embellishments and going to decide where I'd like to place what. The first step is to give it the marmalade distressing. Followed by this one. I'll also be using two digital stamps of these clocks. I'll be placing them somewhere in the center, but first I'm going to distress them as well. It gives a nice weathered look. And I'll be placing them. You can use any number of 2 or 3 dimensional elements to embellish this box in coordination or in contrast in terms of color, design, pattern. I've used just 5 of them, and I'm quite happy with how it's turned out. I hope you like this makeover, and if you enjoyed this tutorial, then please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Goodbye now.